did not find us. We found you.
God.
That is why we are here. Cooperate and you might just survive. That is the deal.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Thanks. Thank you. Hello?
Dios te bendiga. Ay, gracias. Tú eres bienvenida. ¿Eh? Bueno, toma cuidado. Buen adiós. Jesus. Ay, mother of mine. Help. What? Put yourself good. Thank you, I guess. Oh, of nothing. To God.
Bless you. Bless you.
Enough! You think I want this?
I was literally just trying to have a peaceful dinner, and then this bitch starts.
Bendiciones. Oh, and then she just started smacking the table.
And I just thought it was so funny when they said bendiciones.
I went like this, you know, I wanted to slap that bitch upside the head.
And I just don't understand what they were talking about. Like, it's not my fault I sneezed like that. I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
You gonna eat anybody else?
Most likely.
Oh, God.
That is why we are here. Cooperate and you might just survive. That is the deal.
How to say bless you in Spanish. When someone sneezes, in Spanish we say salud. Salud means health. We say it to wish the person who sneezed a good health or a quick recovery.
Does anyone else get an instant fear when you feel a sneeze coming on and you have a mouthful of food? Because it just happened. I was in my boyfriend's truck and I was eating something and I felt the sneeze and I was like, oh God, oh God. And he had just cleaned his truck. And so I put a napkin in front of my face and it sprayed all over the napkin, which luckily it wasn't his truck. But does that happen to anyone else? Because like when I feel it coming on, I start eating really fast and I'm trying to swallow it because I know it's gonna just, there's no avoiding it. It is going to spray everywhere.
I'm laughing so hard at the fact that I was in the middle of chewing my banana and I had to sneeze so bad all of a sudden. And so I had no tissue, I had no napkin to sneeze into, and I'm still chewing, so I'm quickly like chewing so fast. I'm like this. to try to fit in. Oh my gosh, my dog. To try to fit in my banana, like to try to eat it before I sneezed, and I was like, and then I finally sneezed. I made it in time, but I just was laughing so hard at the fact that I probably looked so stupid trying to eat. Fuck, you don't even feel a sneeze.
Want another sneeze? Piece of toilet paper or Kleenex. Let's go. I'm gonna just stick it in my nose and sneeze 3 times. Boom. Roll up a piece of toilet paper or tissue, and then you'll sneeze. That's it.
All right, shout out to all the Patreon members. If you want access to more exclusive content, then you need to join our Patreon community. Follow us on Instagram.
So many snacks, so little time.
Look up. Don't overthink it.
Am I overthinking?
Yep, you are.
I am, and I'm not gonna sneeze. Are you about to stick something up my nose?
I'm not gonna do it for you, but you do it. Because I think what's happening, it needs a little go. So do a little go. Oh, yeah.